Now, before you come for me, if this recipe is healthy or not, I will advise you take your advice first to the producers of these drinks. No producers, no consumers. Hello, creative bangers. Another one is in label. I added half cup of Fanta in a glass, moving with milk. I'm using evaporated milk and 1 egg. Egg is totally optional. All right. Go ahead and mix to combine very well. At this point, I am seeing a Govin drink. Do you remember a Govin those days? If you do, type a Govin at the comment section. Set it aside. In another bowl, you are going to sift in the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Then I move in with milk flavor, baking powder, salt, sugar, and butter. You can also use margarine. Okay, go ahead, take your time and mix it. Everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing, you should have a sandy texture, just like what you are looking at. Alright, make a well at the center. Time to move in with the wet ingredient. That is the Egovim mixture. Okay, go ahead, take your time and mix to combine very well. Okay, you should have a crust dough, not a stretchy one. All right, now you are going to take your time and mix to combine very well. Please do not over mix. All right, once it comes together, you are going to stop. Then we are going to allow the dough to rest for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes later, you are going to transfer the dough to the work surface. Now, I'm going to divide the dough into 2 equal parts because of the size of my work surface. If yours is big enough, you can go ahead and start rolling everything at once. Okay? Now, look at what the texture looks like. That is exactly how yours should be. Okay? Now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to divide into 2 equal parts. It is time to roll. Go ahead and roll into a flat dough. Shout out to you, Mary Jane, watching from Nigeria, Jamila from Ghana, Irene from Togo, Eunice watching from Cotonou, and Joy all the way from Qatar. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Okay, after rolling, go ahead and cut into your desired shapes and sizes. This is the shape and the sizes that I'm going for. Once that is done, you are going to deep fry in a hot moderate oil. All right, now I experienced something like this while frying. If you experience something like this while frying ChinChin, two things are involved. Too much of flour in the ChinChin, you dusted with too much of flour, or you need to change the oil. I've used the oil previously. I was supposed to change this oil, but I said, let me just try and see if it can fry this chinchin. It's not as if the oil is bad, but because of it is chinchin, I needed to change it. Now, if you experience something like this, all you need to do is to place a wooden spoon inside the oil, inside the bubbles. It will stop the bubbles or the foaming. Now, once this is done, don't go ahead and add extra chinchin dough. The one you added already, go ahead and fry that particular one. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm sure you do. Okay, now the secret to this chinchin is to fry into a golden brown. All right, as you can see in this video. Take it off the heat once it is ready. Put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And we just delivered again without being pregnant. Transfer into an open tray and allow to cool down completely. Do you love what he is saying? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. You see this particular one? This one is Banger Pro Max. It was yummy. It was more than what I expected. This was so delicious. You can enjoy just the way it is or with a glass of Fanta. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.